Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting explicit permission. Explain why you want the VPN removed and ask the IT admin for guidance. This avoids policy violations. While you wait, gather the iPad serial, Apple ID, and any MDM or profile names visible in settings. Also make a quick backup to iCloud so you won't lose personal data. These preparations speed up the official process and make it straightforward for IT to validate your request and act without creating security or warranty issues. You should let school IT perform the removal. They control MDM profiles and certificates that enforce VPN settings. Provide the serial number and any visible profile or VPN name from settings so they can target the correct configuration. Once IT starts, make sure you remain available for remote sessions or bring the device to their help desk. Sometimes they need physical access or to apply a supervised profile update. Following their process ensures the change is compliant and preserves network security for everyone. Once IT confirms removal, you should check settings VPN and profiles to verify entries are gone and then test web access and apps. If a profile or enforced VPN remains visible, ask IT to unenroll or update the MDM. Do not attempt manual removal yourself. If the issue persists, provide the support ticket number and device details so they can escalate. One key troubleshooting tip: never factory reset without authorization. That can trigger activation locks or reapply management policies and complicate support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.